folks, I have a banjo ukulele to show you today. This is number 772, and this is one of my instruments. I guess we'll call the Scout banjo, because like my Scout line of ukuleles, it's as simple and stripped down as possible for a kind of lightweight vintage tone. The main feature of it, instead of making my normal segmented block rim, I've made just a 2-ply steam bent oak rim, which is a new process for me. It's been fun figuring out how to do this. To take the long planks of green oak wood and bend it and make a rim out of it instead of my segmented rim. And then I made a simple red oak neck for it out of 3 kind of scrappy pieces of oak, some walnut trim there, and then simple pistachio on there. It's got less brass hardware. It's got 8 hooks and nuts. And it's kind of going for a lightweight instrument. So it's a little lighter weight, it's a little lighter in tone, it's a little more old-timey sounding, a little brighter. And I could see where it would be a useful path to go down. So, and Doug had seen that I'd done one of these before, and for his order he asked to just apply those specs to this. Yeah, it's fun. He's got a low G on this, which also sounds really nice. So yeah, it's a lightweight instrument, kind of made from scraps, but I'm really proud of it. I think it sounds great, looks cool, looks old and traditional, and I'm always into using red oak from around here. So there you go, 772. Cheers.